Good evening. It's nighttime in San Antonio, and we're taking a walk. It's about 10:35 p.m., and it's hot and sweaty outside. Let's go. It looks like there is some storming going on. Here's the Riverwalk. It's a lot less lively now than it was before. Those e-scooter people. What the? Okay, here's St. Mary's. Wow. Somebody had a little bit too much. Oh, here's a horsey. And it's a traffic jam. Friendly police officer down here. Some people. I might pull over for a second here. All right. Oh, Majestic Theatre here. That's what that was. See more lively than Austin almost. Remedy downtown. E-scooters again. There's Navarro. Yoink. And they're still back there. I think they're following me. Maybe they're going to the nightclub. This will be a slightly abbreviated walk because there is a storm coming and I can see it. People coming out of the woodwork over here. Okay, we can go now. Some of the architecture over here is pretty stunning. There's a Houston Street Garage. It's funny because I came from Houston today. There's the Omni Hotel. La Mansión del Rio Hotel. Still the Omni, I think. Here's Four Brothers Southern Provisions. We saw that from the Riverwalk earlier. What's going on over here? Must be a loadout. Yeah, something was going on in the theater and they're doing a loadout. And we're going to walk down St. Mary's. Little Riverwalk action down here. Still some people down there. There's the canopy. I thought about staying there actually. a tower building right here. Kind of old style. It goes down to the Riverwalk here. Line for the parking garage. E-scooter, yoink. Tokyo Cowboy Whiskey and Diner. And that's our access point to the Riverwalk right there. Somebody's got a horn. And back to reality. There's the AC Hotel, San Antonio, which is a very good thing because AC is one of the main things you need in San Antonio. It gets very hot and sweaty. There's the Element. We are having an e-scooter fest over here. Nice parking job. Colorful lights. Just a nice evening stroll before the thunderstorm in San Antonio on a Friday night. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.